Hello, my name is Tim Hartley and I work for Arm. Those of you familiar with the company will know us for processor design, licensing, CPUs, GPUs, NPUs, and all sorts of other things. Now, my team within Arm sits in an incubation unit exploring new product areas and business models, specifically around machine learning at the edge mixed with cloud aggregation, distributed products, if you like, that solve real-world problems. And it's the challenges around the accuracy and overall usability of ML in the real world that I want to cover in my talk today. Now, we talk about a particular product that underpins a lot of the things we're doing, and that's the Arm Insight platform. And I'm not going to talk too much about that actually beyond this slide. But what it does is it provides all the tools and the systems to make the building of verticals based on the kind of verticals you can see on this slide relatively straightforward, from putting machine learning models at the edge through to running other machine learning in the cloud and aggregating all of the metadata that you get from the system as a result of that. Now, the argument about where to run ML at the edge or in the cloud is reasonably well rehearsed. At the edge, for example, you typically get much better latency because you don't need to send the video or the stills up into the cloud, do the compute, and then send the results back. You also get much better privacy if you don't have to egress video and anything that's personally recognizable beyond the edge itself. And of course, there are reduced costs, both for reduced bandwidth potentially, but also reduced costs of using the compute in the cloud. However, in the cloud, of course, you have almost limitless compute power. It's very scalable, certainly easier to deploy. It's certainly well evolved. And so really, in an ideal world, we would be looking at a balance of using both edge and cloud for these sorts of distributed workloads.